Is my bob fly?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Whatever, major.
Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As y'all saw from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys different lock styles with no retwist. So if you say anything about it, you're anti-black. Oh, okay. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. If you're not, hey B, welcome back. Anyways, before we get into the video, make sure you guys like the video. Comment down below what other videos you want to see and which hairstyles you liked. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so that you never miss when I upload again. And let's see how this hair looks underneath my neck. Like, let's get started. Let's get started. Is my bob fly?
I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
Hey y'all. So the first thing I did was go in and hydrate my hair to make sure it was nice and moisturized because we not finna work with no dry hair.
Like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
The next thing I did was went ahead with some of my oils to moisturize my scalp as well.
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Look at my hang time. What? Look at my hang time. Guys, it's almost been 2 years since I've been logged. The journey was fun. I loved it. It was a long one, but we made it. Next, I just added a little bit of this leave-in conditioner to really moisturize my locks and make sure they were nice and soft for the styles. This is not, I repeat, this is not an edge tutorial, so I just went ahead and sped up this part of me doing my edges because y'all can see me struggling. Like, how am I teach y'all if I struggle myself? I went ahead and let this sit, and I went to do my makeup off camera. Look at it. Ooh, ah, ah. The first style I did was a simple middle part. You just split it in the middle, let it hang. I tucked it behind my ear a little bit, you know, give it some spice. And this is me showing y'all how it looks without, you know, the little tuck. For the second hairstyle, what you're gonna do is do a nice little side part, you know, split it. And boom, you got another hairstyle. For the third hairstyle, I'm just simply going to take half of my hair and put it up into a ponytail. This hairstyle is basically the same, but instead of one in the front, you're going to put 2 ponytails. This is my go-to hairstyle. I feel like this is so simple, so cute, you know. this is just me showing you guys how it look with some out for a bang, you know, another cute alternative. Y'all, I feel like ever since I got locks, I've been even more tender-headed. Like, I was not tender-headed before, but now, oh my god. For this next style, this is something I've tried for the first time recently, and now is one of my favorites. It's simple Bantu knots. What I did was section a part of my hair. I twisted my locks a little bit, and then I wrapped it around to make the little knot and secured it with a hair tie.
Got a piece in, got a dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it, it go right foot up.
And here's a closer view of me doing it. I just sectioned it into 5 parts to make the knots.
Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, action. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No.
Like, look, y'all can't tell me it's not cute.
I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide.
I had to moisturize my hair again because it was getting a little dry. And once again, we don't work with dry hair.
200 shooters on my brother's block.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Won't stop, never stop. Got so many ops, I be.
The next hairstyle is a high pony or a pineapple. So what you're gonna do is put all your hair up. If you want to, you can leave a little bit down in the back for a little spice, or put some down on the little sides, you know.
It's about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide.
And this is how it looks with a few strands down in the front. A little bang.
I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
The next style is basically the same as the last style, but instead of 1 ponytail, you're going to do 2.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm looking up.
This style right here was my go-to all during summer. So right now I'm sectioning a part off in the front for a bang. And then I'm going to take some of my hair and put it up into a ponytail.
Press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You tugging warm with my heart, just can't get everything so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drive down. I need to hear it from you, but can we know you can tell me now? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance.
I did the bang off camera because it was a little bit of a struggle, but basically what you're going to do is just pin it up. Usually I use bobby pins, but I didn't have them at the moment, so we improvised, okay? This last hairstyle is new to me. It was kind of an experiment for the video, but basically I'm going to twist up the sides a little bit and pin it in the back. I feel like this style gives like a kind of cute, you know, like business professional type of vibe. It probably would have looked better with a retwist, but we're not gonna talk about that. Here's me out of my glasses being a little extra.
Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're living me, boy.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned some hairstyles that y'all can do on your short to medium locks. These are short. Why did I say medium? I don't know. Let me be delusional. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you didn't, how do you do it? Whatever major. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below what other videos you want to see and which hairstyle is your favorite. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload again. And I will see you guys in the next video.